Welcome to Clever Mum. In this video, we're diving into 5 kid-approved healthy snacks that are super easy to prepare. Let's explore each idea in detail, breaking down why they're nutritious and how you can make them quickly, even on busy days. First, let's talk about Fruit Kabobs. These are a colourful and fun way to pack in vitamins and minerals from fruits like strawberries, pineapple and grapes. The idea is simple. All you need are skewers and an assortment of fruits. Why does it work? The colours make it visually appealing to kids, and the bite-sized presentation makes fruits feel more like a treat than just a healthy snack. Here's a tip. Let your kids help assemble them. It's a great way to get children involved in the kitchen and excited about what they're eating. Next up, Yogurt Parfaits, which are perfect if you're searching for a protein-packed snack with a hint of sweetness. Use Greek yogurt for its higher protein content, layering it with granola and fresh berries like blueberries or raspberries. These layers not only look appealing, but also provide balanced nutrition with probiotics, fiber and natural sugars. Bonus tip, make it fun by letting kids choose and customize their toppings. Think a drizzle of honey or some chopped nuts if allergies aren't a concern. It becomes not just a snack, but an opportunity to get creative with ingredients. Now, let's explore Veggie Chips. These are an excellent way to introduce kids to vegetables they might otherwise avoid. Sweet potatoes, zucchini or kale can turn crispy and flavorful when thinly sliced, tossed in olive oil and baked. The texture mimics regular potato chips but packs far more nutritional benefits. Add a hint of seasoning like garlic powder or paprika to tailor the flavors to your child's preferences and make them crave-worthy. Another playful idea is apple sandwiches. Take apples, core them, and slice them horizontally into rounds. Spread your child's favorite nut butter, like peanut or almond butter, between 2 slices to create fun, nutritious sandwiches. Want to level it up? Add some granola, raisins, or chia seeds for extra crunch and surprise. The apples supply natural sweetness and fiber, while the nut butter provides healthy fats and proteins, making this snack both tasty and filling. Finally, we have smoothie popsicles. A brilliant way to sneak greens into your child's diet. Blend spinach, banana, and berries. Blueberries are especially helpful since they mask the green color of spinach. Add a splash of milk, juice, or yogurt to perfect the texture. Pour the smoothie into popsicle molds, freeze, and voila! You've got a refreshing, nutrient-packed treat that feels like dessert but is secretly healthy. What kid wouldn't love that? Each of these snacks is designed to be simple and customizable, meeting your child's specific tastes and dietary needs. They're quick to prepare, ideal for busy families juggling hectic schedules, and emphasize both nutrition and fun presentation. My goal in this video is to inspire you to rethink what a snack can be. Let's approach it with a bit of creativity and focus on health. Even small tweaks, like snacking on fruits or involving your kids in meal prep, can build lifelong habits of mindful eating. Snacks don't have to be boring or restrictive. They can be fun, interactive, and nutritious. After all, isn't that what we're all looking for as parents? Something that keeps our kids happy while introducing them to new flavors and textures in a way that also satisfies us. So there you have it, the perfect lineup of kid-approved healthy snacks that are as easy to make as they are delicious. Whether it's the colourful Fruit Kabobs, protein-packed Yogurt Parfaits, crunchy Veggie Chips, playful apple sandwiches, or refreshing smoothie popsicles, each option delivers nutrition and fun in equal measure. These ideas are not only designed to excite your little ones, but also to make snack time stress-free for you as a parent. If you've enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Join the Clever Mum community, where we share practical, family-focused ideas to make life a bit easier and a whole lot healthier. Let me know in the comments which snack your kids loved the most, or share your own creative ideas. Together, we can inspire healthy, happy eating habits that last a lifetime. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.